hotel. And underneath the street light, I met a Southern belle. Well, she took me to the river, where she cast a spell. And in that southern moonlight, she sang a song so well. If you be my Dixie chicken, I'll be a Tennessee lamb. And we can walk together down in Dixieland, down in Dixieland. Whoa. Well, we made all the hot spots, my money flowed like wine, and the low-down southern whiskey began to fog my mind. And I don't remember tasting all the money I poured down, and the white picket fancy boardwalk on the house of the edge of town. Oh, but boy, do I remember the strain of her refrain, and the nights we spent together, and the way she called my name. If you be my Dixie chicken, I'll be a Tennessee lamb. And we can walk together down in Dixieland, down in Dixieland. Hey. Well, it's been a year since you went away. Yes, that guitar player sure could play. She always liked to sing along. She was handy with a song. Oh, then one night in the lobby of the Commodore Hotel, by chance I met a bartender who said he knew well. Well, as we had a beer drink, he began to hum a song, and all the boys at the bar, they began to sing along. If you be my Dixie chicken, I'll be a Tennessee lamb. And we can walk together down in Dixieland, down in Dixieland, down in Dixieland.